crafted from premium quality stainless steel with soft touch handle for secure grip. Dishwasher safe. Easy for cleaning, stainless steel mashing plate and solid rubber handle of the potato masher are extremely easy for cleaning under tap water or mildly hot water. No electricity, no gas. Now you can mash potatoes and all vegetables in kitchen or on the outdoors without using a mixer. Take it with you wherever you go and do the kitchen work without having electricity or gas, saving on time, money and energy. Satisfaction. Hundreds and thousands of happy customers around the world is proof for ultimate satisfaction over this kitchen tool. It does what it says and delivers best results while making potato mashing fun and effortless. RM International is a worldwide supplier of high-quality cookie cutters, numerous kitchen gadgets, and affordable cooking and baking products. Since 1993, we have shared recipes, tips, and other resources to help people make long-lasting memories in the kitchen. Top reviews from the United States. This little masher is great. I originally bought this to use in making egg salad, but I find myself using it all the time. It's great at mashing eggs, breaking hamburger, ground turkey apart into little pieces and mashing small quantities of potatoes. I have small hands and this masher works better for me than larger versions. Also, it's 100% stainless steel and small enough that it doesn't waste space. I wash it in my dishwasher every time I use it and it's held up extremely well.